Hirap i-justify to spend so much on a coffee maker. Really? Kilikili? Pwede? Pwede daw. Multipod? Hi everyone! Welcome to this channel, Saved by the Bell, wherein I do my best to save you the trouble of trying things before you buy them. This video is an unboxing video with actual usage of this coffee maker that I recently bought. Yes, I bought it. Here's the receipt. Just a quick backgrounder, I bought this because I've been itching to buy an espresso machine or a coffee bean and tea leaf coffee maker for years now. Yes, years na. Hindi ko lang magawa kasi expensive. Diba? Usually, yung prices ng mga coffee makers like this ranges from this price to this price. And ako lang naman sa family namin or sa household namin who drinks coffee every day. Well, my husband drinks coffee pero hindi naman every day. So, ang hirap i-justify to spend so much on a coffee maker. Okay? Second, we have a regular coffee maker na. Pero mostly, brewed lang yung kaya. Minsan, may coffee powder naman na nabibili na may flavors, locally made, pero it's not the same. But since I found out about this coffee maker from Cherry Home, tada! Na pwede daw multipods. I'm like, really? Kilikili? Pwede? Nagulat ako dun So anyway, this means pwede daw ako mag-change ng coffee flavor every day. At kahit iba-ibang coffee capsule brands pa. amazeBELs, diba? Kasi yung nespresso, syempre, nespresso coffee capsules lang. Yung Starbucks coffee maker, Starbucks lang yung capsules na pwede. So, this one daw, it has 4 adapters na pwede yung iba-ibang shapes and sizes ng coffee capsules. So, tignan natin kung may truth in advertising. Okay? So, unboxing na tayo. Ayan, it's unboxing time. It says on the box, Cherry Coffee Maker Deluxe Multipod 4-in-1. It has 1,450 watts of power, 0.6 liter capacity, 19 bar pump, and smart power standby. Ito na yung 4-in-1 na adapters. Tignan natin sa loob. I think ito na yata yung pinakasulit dito. Ayan, may pa-styrofoam. Ano kayang laman no? White box na to? Struggle is real. Oh, so this is where all the adapters are located. So at least safe siya, naka-box. And then naka-plastic inside. So one by one, I'll show to you here. That's the first adapter. The next one. Ganda naman ng gawa. Then the next one. Ayan. This is the third one. Ito yung in-insert mo inside the coffee maker, I think. Yung fourth one, I'm not sure if it's in the coffee maker itself na. Let's check. So, ayan. May pa-plastic si Cherry Home. Nice! Ang social! plastic. Ang ganda ng finish niya. How smooth. And I think this is the water container. Inside, meron siyang 2-in-1 coffee scooper and compactor. I think this one has something to do with the water pump. The container. Look at the side. It's color black with a touch of red. Yan yung sa taas. And there's, I think this is the lock. Ayan. This is the 4th adapter. Now, it's time to make some coffee! Step 1. Pour water. So, mas maganda kung almost full siya. Yan, ibalik natin yung lid. First, I'll try a nespresso capsule. I got this from my friend, Yayamanin. I think this is from their truffle collection. So I insert the capsule there, close it. It fits perfectly. And then insert it sa coffee machine. Lock it. Then we press the power button. We wait for the blinking to stop. Then we can choose our mug size. For this one, I chose the espresso size. Ayun na! Excited na ako mag-coffee. So we wait for it to drip from the coffee machine. Yan na! It's working its magic! Voila! There's your coffee! Yan, ganyan yung size ng espresso. And then we open the lock, pull the adapter out.
Just a caution, the bottom of the adapter is really hot.
Next, we'll try the Dolce Gusto capsule and a Starbucks capsule. Kasi magkapareho lang sila ng size and shape. So, let's start with Starbucks. Favorite ko dito yung caramel macchiato. So, same procedure. But this time, we'll pull out the drip catcher kasi mas malaki na yung cup na gagamitin natin. So, I'll press power again. And then, lungo. Lungo means long in Italian.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! Nakita niyo yung foam? This time naman, we'll try keurig capsule. Yan. If you can see, it's longer, different yung shape niya. But of course, we have an adapter for it. Press natin siya inside adapter. Then, insert it again in the coffee machine. And for the 4th adapter, we'll use coffee powder. Okay, so we'll just press it like this using our compactor provided. close it, and again, insert it sa coffee machine. Lock it, turn it on, then choose your mug size, and then wait for the coffee. So, ayan na nga, 4-in-1 talaga. Sobrang sulit nito talaga, guys. So, sobrang happy ako sa purchase ko na to. Ang galing talaga, diba? Siguro the only thing na hindi ko 100% nagustuhan is yung color. Parang mas gusto ko syempre all black. Diba? Pero okay lang din. Okay lang din naman this black color with a touch of red. And another one, siguro, yung hindi lahat ng mugs kasha sa loob. So, malit na bagay naman yun. So, nakaka-adjust naman tayo sa ganun. So, comment down below kung gustuhan niyo ba itong video na to. And if there's anything na gusto niyo i-unbox ko or review ko, please let me know. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so we're always connected. See you again next time. Bye-bye!